That guy. I don't even know what he's doing. But we're finna find out, son. I think we're building like some type of ghetto lawnmower. I don't know. We're gonna like put a winch and shit on it to move shit around. But still unknown at this point. Apparently we're using like a Predator engine. And yeah, I guess we'll see how that goes. Motherfucker. Well, that shows we both have balls, because I wasn't about to move and he wasn't about to stop. So I just realized my ankles was about to be gone.
I don't remember which way's off and on for the fuel. What does it look like? Oh, chocolate milk?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh. Ooh, so fine. Spray away. Sprays away the problems.
What's wrong with it?
Well, it ain't getting no gas in it. Yeah, I think it's got the clap. It just dribbles.
Damn.
Oh, that's a filter or something down here. That's nice.
Deeper, Daddy. Hey.
It's got some dribble now.
Got a little flow. It's that time. Oh. I should call her. Well, I think we're getting gas now.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, back to a dribble.
That's what I wanted to make sure of. before I schooled back home. Oh, that's risky.
I think it just needs to be cleaned out really good.
Well, yeah, the whole bottom of the gas tank's filled with rust.
Yeah. That's probably why it looked like chocolate milk.
Yeah. Don't know why it's filled with rust other than, well, either the gas cap leaks or your just vent thingy on the top leaks. Because gas in this thing won't be like a year old.
Yeah.
Gas don't go bad that quick. Oh. Yeah. That would be why we're not filtering.
Damn, son. Got a little color to it.
That got most of it. Hey, you actually see some color down in there now. Not just shit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I can see that. Yeah, a little bit.
What you want? Somebody's probably just sitting there going, this motherfucker's stupid throwing rocks down in the damn gas tank.
Nah, I've seen that before myself. That ain't no different than them submerging wheels down in those little balls that fucking shake.
Yeah.
Same thing. Or how you clean jewelry with vibration.
Yeah.
now the biggest issue is just getting them all back out.
Yeah, for the most part. Brush it out real good with that. If I had all day, we'd be strapping this to a lawnmower wheel and letting it turn.
Good deal.
That's good, Mom. I like insertion.
Insertion. Need that brake clean?
Yeah.
This is that real POV right here.
There you go.
Why to date mechanics?
They're always fucked up.
I see so many videos like that on TikTok. It's like how are you good with your hands, and it goes to fucking turning a little nut on the inside of something.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we're good at turning little bitty things on the inside of things.
Does your mom watch these videos, Mickey?
No,
It's probably a good thing.
she don't know how to work the TV or the computer really.
We if we get famous and she's ever like, I really want to watch these videos, you gonna show them to her?
Yeah. Yeah, she's just gonna be like,
What did I raise?
he's crazy. I love him.
I make my mom watch the videos.
Your mom's already crazy, so it's okay.
Cast them to the TV. Just randomly. She'll be in the middle of a TV show, and next thing I know, it's Teggy Boys casted on the living room TV. It's like, there's a new episode, you gotta watch it.
And she's just like, fuck you, Clinton.
Oh, we got some flow.
And no leakage. Good enough.
Hell yeah. Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Oh, what a doo-dah day.
I'm a piece of hose.
Now that, I don't know.
See if that was... Oh, boy. No. He ain't messing yet.
How about for the tools?
Yeah.
I'm kind of excited. I got a little extra money on me too, so.
I got me a good bit of money on me.
Well, if there's something I really want, I'll pay you back for it.
That's work.
Because I think I only got like 60 or 80 bucks on me. I can't remember.
That'll work. I always got some change.
You look so nice in this lighting.
I know I do. Golden hour for me, baby. Getting this hose back through this tiny ass hole is a little bit hard.
Nope. Nope. Just think if we actually did get famous and like bought a shop.
Why would I need anything more than I already have?
Because this is like all your shit.
Yeah. And yours too.
Yeah.
I mean, you see how much shit you got parked over here now. Don't say, yeah, this is all your shit.
But I'm saying a shop, like an actual, like Teggy Boy shop.
Yeah. Don't matter to me.
Like have employees and shit. we could recreate Hoonigan
But better.
on the East Coast.
Because it'd be Michigan.
Mickey can rebrand it.
Hey. Good deal. Fixed it.
We gotta make that shaft, spin that shaft to make said lawn tractor run. Heck yeah.
Give me that kiwi bag.
slight modifications.
Give me that grinding bit. Really, I just need to cut this off. But if I cut that off, then well, it'd be true for the most part. And I can just buzz her together and be done. All I gotta do is just mount that.
Hell yeah.
So much easier.
How to put a Predator motor on a Copa bit.
Yeah. So then somebody's gonna go, "You're ruining that $1,000 lawnmower." And I'm gonna go, "What do you mean? Making it work."
I mean, I wouldn't say ruining.
No. What about that Vanguard right there? I need a flywheel for it.
I was like, that bitch is about to shoot off at me.
I'd be okay. Can't hurt you so bad.
Well, I mean, I understand that. I'm just not, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can go with that.
Okay. You little pussy. At least now we know the proof of concept is there. That is all that mattered.
used to call you?
Lawnmower King.
The Lawnmower King.
Yeah. Went back to playing with fucking tractors.
So the reason you put the motor up here was because it had vibration down there?
No, it was turning backwards.
Oh, okay.
This turns backwards.
Oh, from this.
Mhm.
Okay. So you had to turn it around.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because this is how the motor would originally sit on here.
Yeah.
But not up. It's the other way.
Yeah.
It connects down there.
So now it's spinning correct.
Yeah. Now the hydraulics work.
Cool. Did you wire these up?
Yeah, you just put a battery in there and then you got some lights.